In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check page views of a single page. Start by going to Google Analytics and landing on the Home area. Make sure you are in the correct analytics property for the website or app you want to review, because page view numbers will change depending on which property you are looking at. If you have access to more than one property, take a moment to confirm the name at the top matches the site you intend to analyze. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Reports. Reports is where you will find the standard, ready-to-use views of your data, including content performance. After the Reports section opens, you will move through a few highlighted areas in the menu. These highlighted clicks are simply guiding you deeper into the content reporting area, so follow them in order as you see them on your screen. As you click through, give the interface a second to load each section before selecting the next one, since analytics can take a moment to refresh. Once you have navigated to the appropriate reporting area, find and click the report titled Views by Page Path and Screen Class over time. This report is designed to show how many views specific pages are getting and how that changes across the selected date range. Clicking it will open an exploration-style view where the focus is on page paths and their view trends over time. Click Views by Page Path and Screen Class over time again to ensure the report is fully selected and active. Once it is open, you can use what you see here to isolate a single page by looking for its page path in the table and reviewing its view count and trend line. For best results, make sure your date range in the top area of analytics matches the time period you want to measure. Also, be consistent with the page path format you are comparing, since similar URLs can appear as separate rows if the path differs. After you identify your page in the report, you will be able to read its page views for that specific time frame and understand how performance changes day by day or week by week. That covers everything you need to know.